What's up, guys? You already know it's your boy Juanito here with my boy Brandon.
What's up, TND gang?
You already know. So I'm just here inside my friend's 335. He's actually doing like a full swap. It's pretty cool. Let me show you a little bit about it. Give me 1 second.
So if you guys want to see this in an upcoming video, like, comment, say what you guys want to say. New 86K motor going in this car. New gaskets, new everything, so check it out.
Okay, guys, so let me show you a little bit about it. So Brandon, to my understanding, this is your M54.
Yep.
You got a new engine, so this one is 80,000 kilometers, correct?
Yep, 86K.
Okay, so now Brandon, what is the plan here? So let's show them the car.
Pretty much
Okay,
the plan is my old motor went boom, explode, so I got the new motor, just redid all the gaskets, everything, putting new torque converter in there as well as new turbos. Hoping this thing rips, going for 460 wheel with meth.
and comment down if you want to see a full video of the engine going in. I guess I'll do that for you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me show you guys over here. I want to show you guys the little turbiscuits. All the pieces are kind of like just right here. All the bolts. It's actually FBO. And then let me show you guys the nice turbiscuits.
Yeah, 86K turbos.
So yeah, this is gonna go right in.
New gaskets and everything.
We're about to head out now, guys. So let's go, baby. Brandon.
Let's get it.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Juanito. So okay, we're gonna go right now. We're gonna check out my boy's Alex's car. He actually just texted us. He said he's free. So you know what? Let's do a review on his car. So yeah, we're
Hey
gonna
guys, so
right
Brandon was begging me to drive the car. I can't believe I'm letting him do it.
Yeah, thanks, Juan.
All right, Brandon, give him a little rev. Woo! You want to do one more for the video? All right. Stop that, you bastard. Okay, guys, let's get going right now.
All right, guys. So Brandon is driving the AMG right now. So show you guys a little bit of the interior wise, what she looks like. All right, boy, we're going for a nice little cruise. All right, so she's a little cold right now, so
No, it's warm.
shut the fuck
It's
up.
90 degrees.
You don't say when it's warm.
Oh, my door's not shut.
All right, shut it up. Show you guys kind of what it's like, the kind of view of it.
I miss driving, bro.
You know what? Let's give him a little bit. You know what? Let's give him a little bit of what they want. Let me just go down here real quick for you guys. So let go of the gas.
I'm off.
Okay,
I'm
you're
gonna go
officially
right.
on manual. We're about to put the
I'm in manual?
sport handling mode. So you got the sport handling mode on.
Alright.
Now we'll press OK there. Let's go. Turn right, baby. This is manual mode. Give him a little bit. Give him a little bit. Oh, what you think?
Yo, this car is a menace, bro.
All right, turn left. Give him a little downshift. Give him a little downshift. Another one. Oh, fuck. Ooh, what you think, brother?
This is making me so happy. Look at that guy.
He's like,
He's
fuck.
like, fuck, I wish I had an AMG.
Yo.
I'm just joking. Look, that thing was alright.
Shut up, man. Shut the fuck out, you douchebag. BMW driver, guys. Don't joke. All right, here we go.
That's like 25% throttle.
Give him a little bit. Give him a little bit, baby. She picks up in a second. Little downshift. Go slowly, go slowly, go really slowly.
I thought this was a good one. I forgot.
It's okay, it's good. Just go slowly. Alright, keep going straight. How'd you like the ride?
honestly, it's in sport right now.
Yeah,
Dude, the difference between comfort and sport is like
day and night, right?
day and night. Like the whole suspension, everything changes.
Bro, it's crazy. Now here, go into the car wash. Let's go into the car wash. Oh, look, guys, there's some cars over here.
Oh, there's an Audi right there.
Let me show you guys. See that, boys? We're having a little car meet over there. But yeah, so we're gonna wash the car, and we're gonna meet with Alex, and
Where should I park?
we'll get right back with you. Yeah, let's park right there.
And this one.
All right, guys, we'll be just right back. Okay. What's up, guys? We're just here meeting out. We got a little meet going on, just a little one. Excuse me. Hey, Brendan, you ready to ask Alex to review the baby? All right, let's do a quick little review of this. My niño.
It's good, it's good.
So tell us, what's the sick Honda you got there? Tell me, what have you done to this baby?
Nothing special, man. It's just for looks, right?
So, she definitely is on bags. Okay, so you,
it's just for looks, pretty much. It has like custom paint. You can see it has the body kit and shit.
What kind of wing is that?
So that's a Type R.
Type R wing? That's fucking nice. Man.
It's been cut because that's not supposed to be in the car. It's been cut. Got wheels, airlift 3P.
custom made spoiler. You know what? This is something. Oh god. Oh god. Now we're talking. Anything interior wise? Any mods so far interior wise?
No, it's just has an intake muffler. That's about it, and like it's just for looks. It's just like stock
She's
inside.
really clean.
This is the base model. Don't get it wrong. This is not the SI.
Still though, she's one of the nicest Hondas I've ever seen.
Right?
Yeah, so it's just on the wheels, 18s, body kit. That's it.
So let me show everybody. So tell us a little bit about your front bumper.
So the front bumper is just a Type R front bumper from the 9th gen. That's the lip. It's been molded.
Now is that custom made because I've never seen that on any other car?
The bumper is not. It's just the way they did it. As you can see, like they only did one piece. It goes with the lip and bumper.
Okay,
So-
we want to take it for a quick spin. What you think? Let's go for a spin. Let's do it. All right, Brandon. You're gonna get in the back because I gotta go front. All right. Let's go in the back. Okay, let's get in. All right, let me get the new start up. All right, we'll take it out somewhere for a cruise, and then we'll rev it in an empty parking and see how she sounds.
Okay, that was a little bit more than a little bit, but you're good.
A lot better, right? Oh, Lord. Okay.
This thing's so loud back here. Is that the airbags going off?
No, so those will be the pumps, but they gonna shut off in a minute.
So they're pumping your airbags right now. Is that what they're doing?
Yeah, they're pumping the air to the tank, right?
Oh, so it's like a little car meet going on there. We're obviously not looking for speed here.
This thing still goes, though.
We're
fun, enjoyment, sound, and this really has it all. Not only is it one of the most reliable cars, if not the most reliable car you can own. Alex, how bad do you beat this car?
Oh man, I'm always cruising right now. If it says 60, I'll go 50, man. I don't fuck around.
Oh shit! No, but you beat it hard though, right?
Sometimes, yeah.
Right? Like it's reliable, nothing ever breaks, right?
No.
See, like that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, guys, so here's a clip. Sounds great. Like, oh, I love it, guys. Oh, boys, what you guys think? Look at the lights. Crazy.
Boy, that picks up.
Just actually is quick.
That air ride suspension is really nice. I like the way it feels.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna go right over here. Yo, this is so low that look how we have to kind of angle it in. And it still scrapes. Wow. Alex, thank you so much for taking us for a ride for your car, my man.
No problem.
Honestly, sick car. Truly awesome car. Let me get Brandon getting out of here. Let's look quick. You guys put in there? Oh, God. Yo, Alex, thank you, homie. Thank you for showing me the whip.
No worries, man.
You're the man, homie. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the clip today. That was a beautiful Honda Civic. Alex, until the next time. All right, guys. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content. I mean, lots of crazy cars here. Hope you guys enjoy that. Shout out to JDM fam. You already know. So, hope you guys enjoy this. We'll see you on the next one. Brandon.
Peace out.